Today I'm going to show you how to watermark your videos so nobody can steal them from you. So the first step is to go to the App Store and search Watermarker. That's WATRMARKR. Now download the app once you see it. And then once it's downloaded, press the open button. Okay, now once the app is open, press the plus button to add a video. Here, choose the video you like. You could position it, zoom in, do whatever you like. Now click next. Now you can type in the handle you want to use. I'm going to use mine, it's called Car Data World. And now I'm positioning it where I want to. I'm changing the color to white. Now changing the size to 16. Add a shadow, you take out shadow, add an outline border, change the outline border. I'm just going to take it off, leave it the way it is, and press save. And now it's saved successfully. Go to the library, click on the photo, and now to click save. Now here it is. It's in my photos already. Now it's ready to post. Thanks for watching. Bye.